In India, viewers, kidnappers and spies are treated like criminals, and diplomatic immunity will not take away from the fact that Pakistan was running a shady spy racket from its High Commission in Delhi. Today, we've cut them to size. 55 Pakistanis have been sent packing home. Their High Commission has been cut into half. I wish we could tell the rest of the half also to go back to their rogue nation. Let's debate.
On the 31st of May, 3 ISI agents were caught red-handed in an espionage racket. And following diplomatic protocols, India sent them packing. On the same day, top Indian diplomat was being chased by ISI men in Islamabad. 15 days later, the ISI abducted 2 Indian High Commission officials at gunpoint and harassed them for 12 hours. And now, India has sent a strong message to the rogue nation. The Ministry of External Affairs has asked 50% staff of the Pakistan High Commission in Delhi to go back home. A hammer blow to the shady espionage operations that took place in the High Commission under the garb of diplomacy. The ministry has also mentioned how the Indian officials who were illegally detained by the ISI have given graphic details of the torture meted out to them for 12 hours in custody. In the last 6 months, over 100 Pakistan-backed terrorists have been killed by our forces in the valley. And now, the entire ISI spy network in India has been dismantled. It's endgame for Pakistan's proxy war in India. Let's debate.
And Mona Alam, please open the debate from Pakistan-occupied Islamabad with Syed Zafar Islam. Mona, 55 Pakistanis have been told to get out. 55, 50%. You know, this actually, I was thinking about it, Mona. I said, what does this reflect? This reflects what we think of you. We treat you like dirt. Dirt.
Yeah, Arnab, by the way, I'm very perturbed by your initial remark, because I was just planning to visit Ladakh Valley for a holiday on Chinese visa. So I'm very perturbed. I mean, this doesn't make sense. You've spoiled my mood. You've tried your best, and this is exactly what you're trying to do.
Mona Alam, I have said this on Twitter, and today I will again tell you, Mona, भिखारियों को फॉरेन ट्रिप के सपने नहीं देखने चाहिए. लद्दाख कहीं पर भी हो, आपकी हैसियत नहीं है फॉरेन जाने की. आप वहीं बैठिए. आप इतना मत सोचिए. लद्दाख जाने का प्लान बन रहा था मैडम का. क्यों बन रहा था लद्दाख जाने का प्लान? इस्लामाबाद से रावलपिंडी जा नहीं सकते. लद्दाख जाने का प्लान बन रहा था इनका. प्लीज मोना, डोंट. ये सपने सपने ही रह जाएंगे. आपका खुद का प्रधानमंत्री तो भीख मांगे हुए जहाज के लेकर जाता है, सऊदी से मांगता है जहाज. यू डोंट हैव अ प्लेन ऑफ योर ओन. आई वाज प्लानिंग टू गो टू लद्दाख. डोंट मोना आलम, नो मोना, नो मोना, नो मोना, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. यू विल नॉट स्पीक on this show, Mona. You will not speak. You will not speak for the next 20 minutes if the show is there. You will not speak, Mona, because you have dared to dream. You have dared to dream that you will go to a foreign country, whether it's in India, China, or Honolulu.
Even shoot 3 idiots.
How did you dream, Mona? When your country does not have money to buy medicines and give water and food, how did you dare dream of a foreign trip? It's very surprising, Mona. मुझे लद्दाख जाना था. बाजार जाने के पैसे नहीं है. मुझे लद्दाख जाना था. अर्नब, यही चीज है. पाकिस्तानी क्या समझते नहीं है ये लोग. ये बहुत जल्दी सपने देख लेते हैं. क्या बोला था आपने? लद्दाख जाना है, मोना? कहाँ जाना है? लद्दाख. मोना, लद्दाख जाना है. लाहौर चले जाओ पहले. लाहौर चले जाओ पहले. मोना, ये लद्दाख वद्दाख की बात मत करो. Don't try these funny jokes here. They want work, Mona. They want work. You're looking at the sky. You're talking as if the Chinese will throw more money from the sky. Nothing is going to come. Stop looking at the roof.
Gaurav, these Pakis. Gaurav, Mona, listen. These Pakis are absolutely stunned. The fact that today the Chinese have decided to move back We killed 43 of us, their soldiers, sent them back, massive pressure. We pushed back the Chinese. It's something they can't, because for them the Chinese are like, Chinese are extraterrestrials who've landed to take control of their piddly little nation. Zafar, ये समझ नहीं पा रहे that we beat back the Chinese. They can't believe it. अभी इनका क्या होगा? इनके आका, इनके चीनी आकाओं को भी मारा, इनको भी मारा, इनके आका को मारा.
That is why you want to come to India.
We hammered the Chinese back.
और अगर मोना एक और बात बताऊं आपको,
they can't believe what a नया भारत they are dealing with.
Actually कहीं मोना, अगर आपको कहीं पे जाना है तो visit Xinjiang province in China, मोना. Visit Xinjiang province in China. That is the right place for you.
I also want to tell you. नहीं. एक आपको कहता हूँ. Listen, Mona. Let me tell you one thing. Mona, let me tell you one thing. Mona,
let me ask one question to Mona.
Okay, ask a question.
I have only one question to ask Mona. A very simple question. Mona. See, I'm asking a very simple question. Have you realized today, or can you accept our might? India is a very mighty country. Can you say now? We have given you a lesson in Balakot. We have demonstrated what our might is today. Pakistan has realized that India is a very strong country. You are unnecessarily picking fight with us. Whenever we want, we will demolish Pakistan completely. Now do you understand that even China, you are piggy bank on China all the time. Today China has also backed. No. China has also backed out. Today.
No, but Mona.
You are not listening to me.
Mona.
अरे आप ये बताइए ना, आपको अंदाज हो गया ना, हिंदुस्तान एक मजबूत देश है.
Mona, Gaurav, she wants to. A real reason is what she's saying, trying to say, and I think we must cut her that slack. What she's trying to say is that she has to flee Pakistan because she's a muhajir.
Ladakh Valley is as good as Pakistan.
She's a muhajir.
China and Pakistan are
अर्नब, लद्दाख वैली छोड़ो मोना. मोना, ईस्ट पाकिस्तान जाओ. ईस्ट पाकिस्तान, सॉरी माय मिस्टेक, बांग्लादेश जाइए मोना. वहां के लिए आपको वीजा चाहिए होगा मोना. अच्छा सुनिए ना मोना, अच्छा आप एक काम करिए मोना, सुनिए. ये फॉरेन ट्रिप के सपने भिखारियों को नहीं देखने चाहिए. आप गलत सपने देखती हैं, फिर आप बोलेंगे मुझे यहां जाना है. ये सपने तो आपका इमरान खान नहीं देखता. वो भी प्रिंस सलमान से कहता है कि अपना जहाज दे दो, मुझे कहीं और जाना है घूमने के लिए. उसके पास जहाज नहीं है. आपका प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, ही कैन नॉट ट्रैवल बिकॉज ही डज नॉट हैव एन एयरक्राफ्ट. हाउ विल यू गो मोना? यू आर अ कॉमन सिटीजन. आप कैसे जाओगे? वीजा तो छोड़ दो. सुनो मोना, मोना बेगिंग फॉर एयरक्राफ्ट, ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर को शोभा नहीं देता. नहीं मोना, यू आर रॉन्ग मोना. आप देखो, आपको लद्दाख आना है, सुनिए, आपको लद्दाख आना है मोना, आपको लद्दाख आना है कि नहीं आना? आप मोना, आप कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं वैसे बताइए? आप इंडिया में कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं? आप कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं? आर यू फ्रॉम यूपी? नहीं, मुहाजिर उर्दू स्पीकिंग है ना. कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं आप? कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं?
पाकिस्तान.
कहाँ की आप हो ना?
She's treated badly in Pakistan.
Where in India? बताइए ना.
She wants to come back.
मोना बताइए कहाँ से? इंडिया में कहाँ से आप? इंडिया में कहाँ से आप? बताइए ना. प्लीज टेल मी. प्लीज कहाँ पे? कौन सी जगह से? Tell me which place in India?
She's a muhajir.
Get over it.
नहीं. कहाँ के हो रहने वाले? ये तो बताओ.
She's like Musharraf, मुहाजिर.
इलाहाबाद के हो, बनारस के हो, कहाँ के हो? बताओ तो. मुहाजिर है वही तो अर्नब. ये सारे के सारे उर्दू स्पीकिंग.
So she wants to show loyalty.
दिल्ली से गए हैं, बिहार से गए हैं, यूपी से गए हैं, और कहाँ से गए हैं?
आगरा, बहुत सारी जगहों पे मेरी स्कैटर्ड फैमिली.
अरे वाह, वहाँ पे आपको विजिट करना है लखनऊ? आपको विजिट करना है लखनऊ मोना?
मैं गई भी हूँ.
लखनऊ जाना मोना आपको?
2004 में मैं गई भी हूँ.
आप गई है ना?
आप
गई है ना? अब आपको पता है कि किससे वीजा मांगना चाहिए लखनऊ जाने के लिए?
अब लद्दाख जाओ.
जिससे लखनऊ जाने का वीजा मांगा है ना, वही लद्दाख का भी देगा. अगर देगा तो. अरे मोना, वो दिन चले गए, अब नहीं है पैसा.
कमर चीमा,
मुश्किल से नहीं जा सकते. लद्दाख जाना है.
कमर चीमा,
फॉरेन ट्रिप की ख्वाहिशें
कमर चीमा
शोभा नहीं देती आपको. मत जाया करिए फॉरेन ट्रिप.
कमर चीमा, are you applying for a job in the are you applying for a job in the truncated Pakistan High Commission in Delhi?
You know,
I'm told
since
they are
you are
in need
bleeding
of
from
people like you
disrespect,
because they need people who are
since
multi.
you
No,
people
one
are
second.
bleeding from
Because Kamar,
and rather
Kamar, they
getting
need
embarrassed
people who
the
can do
way
different
Chinese
jobs.
have treated
You see, they have fewer staff now, so their cleaning staff, diplomatic staff, security guard staff are all the same.
कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, पाकिस्तान के बारे में बात ही नहीं कर सकते. It's always China. Sometimes they talk about America, sometimes Saudi Arabia. जो पैसे दे रहे उसकी बात करते हैं टीवी पे बैठ के. अरे पाकिस्तान की बात करो. अरे कमर चीमा साहब पाकिस्तान की बात करो. You're a Pakistani. Say on Indian television. आप ये कहो कि आए कमर चीमा I'm a proud Pakistani. बोलो जरा. आप बोलो. आए कमर चीमा I'm a proud Pakistani. आप बोलो जरा. Please. आप बोलो. आप चाइना मत करो. चाइना ने तो हड़प लिया आपको.
भगा दिया ना, we threw the Chinese out. Kamar, the Chinese have run away. Kamar, the Chinese have run away. Kamar, we killed the Chinese and sent them back. Kamar, over. Chinese have run away. You have to reconcile. You have to reconcile to the fact that the Chinese have run away. Now speak. Now speak. Now speak. You see, Kamar, we have beaten the Chinese and sent them back. Kamar, listen to me. Kamar, the Chinese have gone back. They have retreated. We beat them. We killed their men. We killed their colonel, and we've sent them back. This is India, bhai. We beat the Chinese, send them back. Khatam, baat khatam. Baat khatam, paisa ajam. Aage chaliye. Aage chaliye. Aage chaliye. We've beaten the Chinese. What will you do now? What will you do now? No, Kamar, listen. Kamar, listen. Kamar, listen. We have beaten the Chinese, they've gone back. Now what will you do? Now what will you do?
The
Chinese have run back. Khatam, they are back. Now what will you do? Gaurav, tell him, no, what will you do? They can't believe anybody beat the Chinese.
Posting off in front of international community.
Arnab, one second. कमर चीमा सुनो मेरी बात. आपने बोला कि 160 किलोमीटर चाइना ने ले लिया. ये क्लेम कोई चाइनीज नहीं कर रहा है. ये क्लेम चाइनीज नहीं कर रहा है. अभी ग्लोबल टाइम्स का ट्वीट आया था. अभी ग्लोबल टाइम्स का 2 घंटे पहले ट्वीट आया था कि वी आर डिसएंगेजिंग, वी आर गोइंग बैक. लेकिन पाकिस्तानीज आर मोर चाइनीज देन द चाइनीज. आप चाइनीज से भी ज्यादा चाइनीज हो भाई साहब. आप चाइनीज से ज्यादा चाइनीज हो. आप
कमर, कैन यू इमेजिन?
वो चाइनीज खुद क्लेम नहीं कर रहे.
कमर वॉल्यूम डाउन. Gaurav, कमर वॉल्यूम डाउन. कमर वॉल्यूम डाउन. कमर वॉल्यूम डाउन. Gaurav, ask Mona. Gaurav, ask Mona. Ask Mona, is it true or not? Gaurav, 1 minute. Ask Mona, is it true or not that the Pakistani so-called strategic experts since yesterday have been analyzing that if the Indian army pushed the Chinese back, how much time it will take for us to roll into Lahore? Chinese have gone back, beaten back, black and blue. We beat them so badly.
And if we move into Lahore, then Mona will not require.
Saying this again and again will not turn it into truth.
You know what 700 surface-to-air missiles will sound like?
आपको वीजा की जरूरत नहीं है.
700 surface-to-air missiles.
आप लखनऊ की क्या रहने वाली? आप लखनऊ के आप आराम से बिना वीजा के ड्राइव करिए. Then you are an Indian citizen. क्या दिक्कत है? आप आइए सुनिए. पाकिस्तान is an artificial construct. किसी भी वक्त खत्म हो सकता है. Mona, you drive to Lucknow. लखनऊ में आपका स्वागत है मोना.
I thank you viewers very much. The Pakistan High Commission is cut into half. The Pakistan High Commission is cut into half. But in any case, sorry viewers, it was never a High Commission. It was a dirty, pithy ISI hub. Ladies and gentlemen, see you at 9 o'clock tomorrow. We have big news for you tomorrow. Till then, good night and goodbye.